And we're back. Okay, I was just going to show you how this compares. This is the Louis Vuitton Hudson. You've seen this before in one of my unboxings from Fashionphile. And this is how it compares to the Lodge. They are very, very similar. Here's in a comparison. You can see there, the Lodge is, let's just do it this way maybe. Lodge is just a hair bigger. Well, whoops. It's just a hair bigger. It is the GM size. So I don't know if it came in like a PM or an MM or anything like that. But yeah, very similar. There are some features of the Lodge though that I do like better. Well, even the Manhattan. Now having gotten the Hudson, the one thing that I think is a little difficult with it is this latch is kind of hard to close. Every time you go to close it, the little buckle part here kind of wants to tuck in, and then you got to pull it back out again. But other than that, I really like it. I really like the shoulder strap on it, whereas the Hudson is more of a hand carry. But the Manhattan, but it doesn't have this. But this gives me the best of all worlds. It zips at the top, and it gives me the strap. And the strap is what I really, really like. Nice, thick leather vachetta. This is so soft. So, yeah, I mean, it's about the same size as a Hudson. Probably just a hair bigger. And who doesn't want to put more stuff in their bag? I know I do. That's the difference in the two. Since I have this here, I guess I'll do one more thing. Well, actually, let's make that a separate video. So for right now, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit the like button if you would like to. I'd love it if you'd subscribe or comment. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you.